Thank you for watching my update. Right in front of you here is my PVC spool holder for that giant 40 kilogram 21mm wide gauge roll of wire. I put this together today to support that giant roll there. And if you look carefully at all that there, I've got a centre PVC going through the centre there, thicker, and out the other end there into there, they've got the frames support there. So this thing supports that giant roll, so it'll make it a lot easier to wind the electromagnet with this here. All I need to do is make a little setup to sit that on, I can wind directly onto that and build my electromagnet for my hyperdimensional resonator. Now if you look in front of here, I received a bunch of these in the mail today, and I bought them on eBay. Extra high temperature polyamide Kapton tape. This is the stuff that you use when you're making transformers. You want to layer the windings with this between it. This is high temperature tape. It's also used for other things, you know, like apart from electromagnet. If you're building electromagnet, you wind that and one layer of that tape between every lot of winding and all that. That's handle more heat, and it'll probably be a lot more better to use too. So I've got a real wide roll of this high temperature tape here, and that's the same stuff I've got on that big bar there for my electromagnet, which I've got to wind on yet. So anyhow, you can see how I built this here using the pieces of PVC I bought from the hardware. I had to make 2 trips to the hardware to get bits and pieces because every hardware I went to, but some of the pieces were different. But anyhow, it's all built and it supports it all easy, so that's very handy to make. Now, I had an idea last night that seeing that my SEC Excite here likes to transmit radio frequency currents and induce into the household wiring of AC, just imagine if the rubbing coil and the tying coil for the hyperdimensional resonator acts as an antenna, and the transmitted radio frequency currents here will go into that of the hyperdimensional resonator and enhance it more because I'm inducing a signal into it from this here. It might be a new experiment worth trying, but anyhow, I just thought I'd mention anyhow. Okay, thank you for watching me updates.